Hi, it's Kronos here again to guide you. I know I look different from the last video. As I learn more about AI, my avatar will evolve. I'll be trying out different looks, ages, and even voices as these videos progress. But don't panic. It is still me, ready to guide you on another exciting journey into AI. Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll show you how to set up a local AI environment using ComfyUI on your Windows machine. If you want to run AI models like image generation or other creative tasks locally, this setup is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, let's briefly discuss what local AI is. Simply put, it's AI that runs on your computer without needing a constant internet connection. This means faster results, more privacy, and full control over your creative process. ComfyUI is an easy-to-use interface that allows you to interact with your local AI setup. It's an open-source platform, meaning it's fully customizable. Whether you're working with image generation, music, or something else, ComfyUI streamlines the process and makes everything much simpler. Before we begin, here's what you'll need. A computer capable of running ComfyUI, a stable internet connection for downloading the files. Python is already included in the ComfyUI installation, so no need to install it separately. For this installation, we will be installing the Windows Desktop Beta version. If you would like to install ComfyUI on Linux or Mac OS, instructions can be found on the ComfyUI website to get you started. Links in the description below. Head to the official ComfyUI installation page at docs.comfy.org. From here, you'll download the ComfyUI Windows installer. Click on the download link for the Windows version and save the file to your desktop. Once the installer is downloaded, simply double-click it to begin the installation process. The installer will guide you through the process. Just follow the prompts, choose where you want to install ComfyUI, and click Install. It's quick and easy. Once installation is complete, you can find ComfyUI in your Start menu. Click on the app to launch it. Now, ComfyUI should automatically launch in your browser, and you're all set up to begin using it. No need to worry about complicated configurations or command lines. It's all ready to go. If you run into any issues, don't panic. One common problem could be missing dependencies, or there may be some configuration adjustments needed. You can always check the ComfyUI GitHub for troubleshooting guides, or head over to the community forum for additional help. And that's it. You've successfully installed local AI with ComfyUI on your Windows machine. Now you're ready to explore the vast world of AI without relying on the cloud. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on AI and tech. See you in the next one.